Yeah, good evening to everyone. సో ఈరోజు నేను మీకు ఒక ఇంపార్టెంట్ విషయం గురించి చెప్తాను. జేఈఈ 2024-25కి సంబంధించి విచ్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ అనేది వస్తాయని చెప్పేసి ఈరోజు నేను ఇన్ఫార్మ్ చేస్తాను. ఐ విల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ అబౌట్ ది ఫస్ట్ బేసిక్ చాప్టర్స్ ఆఫ్ ది జేఈఈ క్వశ్చన్స్ విచ్ విల్ బి ఆస్క్డ్ ఇన్ ప్రీవియస్ ఇయర్ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్స్. So my name is Chandrashekhar. So I am related to the Spark Academy. Okay. So you can observe IPE is different from the EAMCET or JEE. Okay. So yesterday we discussed about the IPE. In the same way today we are going to discussing about the JEE questions. Okay. So the time is very crucial for this one. ఓకే, అందరికీ టైం అనేది చాలా క్రూషియల్ ఏమో ఇప్పుడు. సో మనకు జేఈ క్వశ్చన్ చేయడానికి టైం చాలా ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, కంపేర్ టు ఎంసెట్ జేఈ క్వశ్చన్ మనం అటెంప్ట్ చేసినప్పుడు టైం అనేది చాలా ఉంటుంది. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? ఎస్. సో బట్ ద కాన్సెప్ట్ ఈస్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ హియర్. ఓకే, so while answering the JEE question, if you have any doubts you can ask in the live chat. Okay, so I will start this session. So today I would like to share some information about the JEE questions of first 3 chapters. Okay, that is the basic fundamental chapter which will be asked in examinations. Okay, so before that you can observe that this is Spark Academy online.com. so this is our app which will be already so many members know that, but today I would like to share information about this one little bit. So go for the Play Store and download the Spark Academy. So Spark Academy which will provide the daily live classes and the material tips and tricks. So we will offer the classroom and online coaching center. That means physically and online also. So when you want to physical coaching, you contact the Naranaguda, Medipatnam and ESL. So when going to online, you have to contact the below numbers. Okay, we already provide that. So we'll go to the YouTube or Spark Academy app. You will know everything. So trending now, Yuddham and Poratam. This course is running right now. Okay. So these are the fees, already you know that, but once again for the new students, this offer is only for 26th December. Okay. So after that the remaining course fees will be same. So hurry up, only 2 days left and we have to take only limited number of seats, not a much number of seats. So we will provide the quality of education. So short term fees should be 30,000 and online fees should be 4,999. IPE, EAMCET, JEE NEET for 30,000. For hostel facilities you have only 60,000 rupees. You have to accommodate the student, that's why we are taking that money for that. Yes, go for the download. Okay, so this is the app. You have to know that. Download the Spark Academy, then after you will know this information. మీరు ప్లే స్టోర్లోకి వెళ్ళి స్పార్క్ అకాడమీ టైప్ చేశారనుకోండి, ఇక్కడ వస్తుంది యాప్, మనకి ఇలా కనిపిస్తుంది స్పార్క్ అకాడమీ. ఆ లోగో కూడా మీకు చూపించాను ఏ విధంగా ఉంటుంది. ఓకేనా, ఇన్ కేస్ ఆఫ్ ఎనీ కన్ఫ్యూజన్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు గో ఫర్ దిస్ వన్. ఓకే, ఎస్. సో daily and live classes will be happen. These are the subject wise classes videos and this is the test analysis which will be provided. Okay, so this is the test analysis. So once you know that, once you enter the app, you can observe any types of information here. Okay, for example, you can see this test, you will know the which type of tests are conducting, assignments and the announcement which should be very very important. See this, after the examination, this is the main advantage of our Spark Academy, which can be analysis. So how many students are appear like this? This is the one demo which will be, so the grade E, these are the grades. These grades are for the overcoming the problems, not for differentiating the students. Okay, overcome the problems and overcome the questions. So where it will be hard and how much time it will be taken for that question. Okay, this is the score and the grade you will get like this. So this test analysis will be know that where we are while learning. అంటే మనం నేర్చుకునేటప్పుడు ఎక్కడ ఉన్నామనే దాని మీదనే డిపెండ్ అయి ఉంటుంది. దీన్ని బట్టి తెలుస్తుంది మనకు ఓకే మనం ఎంత చదవము, యూ హ్యావ్ టు ప్రిపేర్ మచ్ మోర్, సో దట్ విల్ హెల్ప్ యూ టు. ఓకే, ఎస్. Then after concept, you already know that the concept, but literally I have to discuss about the first chapter, basic concepts of chemistry. Basic concepts of chemistry. You know this, the first chapter. Okay. Second one, you know that atomic structure. So in first 3 chapters we have to listen. Then after classification of elements. Okay, third one. Just I read the first one and third one. Then after this, you have to very accuracy in this one. So second one, atomic structure. So already you know the basic structure. What is the molecular formula? What is the empirical formula? So what is the molar mass? What is the weight? Okay, molecular weight, that is nothing but molar mass. Okay, you know that formulas also. So you shortest formula is called empirical formula, and the normal you have to total number of atoms are calculated in this molecular formula. So some basic concepts which will be discussed in the concept. While we are discussing in the question, I will explain which type of questions they will ask in the basic concept of chemistry. This is the fundamental chemistry. Everybody should know that. Okay, clear? Yes. So atomic structure, you know that the electron, proton, neutron, atom. Okay, so atomic structure means you discuss about that. You discuss about the atomics, electron, proton, neutron. Electron, proton, neutron, nothing but nucleus is there revolving the electron. You just imagine like this. Don't by heart or don't write so much chapters. Just you can understand the concept, then you can easily crack any question. Okay. So without understanding concept, how many times you practice, that's not a matter for you. Okay. So according to this one, the Rutherford model. Then after, first of all, J.J. Thomson model and Rutherford model. Yes. De Broglie concept. Okay. So de Broglie concept is also there. So de Broglie. So Heisenberg uncertainty principle. Yes. Heisenberg uncertainty principle. So magnetic nature of what colloquial magnetic nature. Then after, go for the Bohr's atomic structure. Then quantum numbers. Okay, quantum numbers. These are the very important quantum numbers. Okay, quantum numbers. These are the very important which will be asked in examination most of the time. Okay, these are the classification of elements. You already know that S black element, P black element, D black element and F black element. So once you take that periodic table roughly, you can understand this is S, this is P and this is D and another one is F. Okay, this is one. Okay, these are the concept you already know. Just read the concept, you can easily understand what is it, because you read so many times. Yes or no? You read so many times. So after this one, know the fundamental fundamentals which will be help to you. A is equal to Z plus N. This is the, you already know that atomic number, Newton numbers, mass number, you can denote like this one. Z and A. This is the mass number. Okay. This is protons or atomic number. So those are the fundamentals you have to know that. When it comes to the periodic table, how many groups are in S? 2 groups. In P, 6 groups. D, 10 groups. So total is equal to 2 plus 10 plus 6. How much? 18 groups. Okay. So then after comes to the periods, there are 7 periods. So 7 periods which will be helpful. So 7th is incomplete. The remaining are completed. Incomplete period. Incomplete period. Okay. Incomplete period. So this is the some shortcut methods also we have written. Yes. So this is the Yuddham course which will be offered from our academy right trending now. This is for MPC students. Okay. MPC students we are offering the Yuddham 1.0 or 1.0. So 4999 course. This is the very low price of course. Okay. So which will provide the EAMCET, EAPCET and JEE. Okay. So for BIPC students same, but it is called a Poratam. Same price it will be for BIPC student. BIPC students it will be shown at Poratam. Okay. MPC కేమో యుద్ధమమ్మ, BIPC కేమో పోరాటం అనే కోర్స్ కండక్ట్ చేస్తున్నాం. దీంట్లో 4999 కి మీకు ఈ ప్యాకేజ్ అనేది రావడం జరుగుతుంది. సో యూ హ్యావ్ టు చెక్ యువర్ నాలెడ్జ్ ఆర్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు సంథింగ్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు నో దట్ ఈ యొక్క ప్యాకేజ్లో మీరు చూసుకుంటే సరిపోతుంది. ఓకే. దేర్ ఈస్ అనదర్ కోర్సెస్ ఆల్సో దేర్ విచ్ విల్ బి హెల్ప్ఫుల్ ఫర్ యువర్ ల్యాప్టాప్ అండ్ డిఫరెంట్ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ కోర్స్ అండ్ ఫీజెస్ ఆర్ ఐ ఆల్రెడీ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ అబౌట్ దట్. Okay. Yes. So let's come to this. So what is the key features of Yuddham and Poratam? So whenever we have to buy something, ఏదైనా వస్తువు మనం తీసుకున్నా లేదా ఏదైనా ఆబ్జెక్ట్ మనం తీసుకుంటే దాంతో ఏంటి యూజ్, వాట్ ఈస్ ద బెనిఫిట్స్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు. సో ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ యూ టేక్ దట్ Yuddham and Poratam, you will know that daily live classes from the best teachers. Okay. So all your doubts in class and also live quizzes and interaction should be there. Shortcut methods and tricks, this is most important. If you solve the problem in a normal way, okay, traditional way, it will take so much of time. But when it comes to the shortcut method, it will be finished in the half of the time of the regular time. అంటే 1 minute లో చేసేది హాఫ్ మినిట్ లో చేస్తాము. 2 minutes ఏదైనా తీసుకునేది ఉన్నప్పుడు లాంగ్ క్వశ్చన్ ఆర్ లాంగ్ కొంచెం టిపికల్ ఉండేది విల్ ఫినిష్ ఇట్ ఇన్ 1 minute. So the exam time should be also 1 minute for EAMCET, for JEE. Okay. So study notes they will provide, and also 24/7 doubt clarification of AI board. Okay, now artificial intelligence is there. So this is already Dasara over. So Sankranti summer holidays is. So at that time we will conduct this course whenever we need. Okay, ఎప్పుడైతే మనకు need ఉంటుందో అప్పుడు మనం క్లాసెస్ పెడతాం. Focus on the previous year question. PYQ is very important. Okay. So today I would like to explain the PYQs. Okay. So this is the key features of Yuddham and Poratam. So what will you get? Personal coaching with dedicated helpline. So my WhatsApp group is there. Every time you will be informed in that. The test should be conducted as chapter wise, weekend wise and grand test. So post exam counseling should be also included. So compliant online study material and a recorded class also available. So these are the, if you have no more information about it, you can contact our academy. Okay. So let's go for the topic. So this is the methodology we are already following right now. So anybody have to read this type of method, you will also achieve very quickly. So basic concepts, strong in the basic computer, shortcut methods, all model questions and exercise the question, previous year questions. So this is the one phenomenon we are following. Then after chapter wise test, weekend test, grand test and test analysis. So when complete for this all, you will be perfect. You will be perfect according to the examination. Which question they will give, you will easily answer without any fear. Okay, because in this method you can understand the type of questions, what is the basics of this one, shortcut methods, and also by doing the test regularly and observe the test analysis, you can easily understand and get into the examination. Okay, yes. So right now this is the first question we are giving. So first chapter. Okay, no? So basic concepts I am giving this one. So this first question you can see this. Mass of methane required, they are asking the mass of, that means weight they are asking, required to produce 22 grams of CO2 after complete combustion. Okay, combustion reaction means reaction with oxygen. Okay, reaction with oxygen. Clear? So they are giving the molar mass of carbon 12, hydrogen 1, oxygen 16. If they are given, it's okay. If they don't given, you have to remember, because these are the fundamental which will be note for 1 to 30 elements. Okay, and some important elements you should remember. Okay, so they are giving that 22 grams of carbon dioxide produce, అంటే 22 grams of carbon dioxide produce చేయడానికి ఎంత మాస్ ఆఫ్ మీథేన్ కావాలి అని చెప్పేసి క్వశ్చన్ అడిగారు. చూడండి ఇక్కడ చూడండి, జనవరి 2024 లో వచ్చింది, 27 షిఫ్ట్ 1 సో చూద్దాం. సో ఆన్సర్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు లిమిట్ దట్ 800. సో చూద్దాం ఎలా వస్తుందో చూద్దాం. ఓకేనా? ఎస్, గో ఫర్ ది ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. ఫస్ట్ మీథేన్, యూ రైట్ దట్ మీథేన్. దెన్ వాట్ ఈస్ కంబషన్ రియాక్షన్? దట్ మీన్స్ రియాక్షన్ విత్ O2. యూ ఫార్మ్ ద CO2 plus 2H2. So 1 carbon, that's why 1 carbon dioxide. Then after 2 oxygens are there. So that means you can find out first the how many moles of carbon dioxide. Generally 1 mole of carbon dioxide formed if sufficient of CH4 and OT is available there. But they are telling that 22 grams of CO2. So general, what is the 1 mole of CO2 is equal to 44 grams. So you can calculate the molar mass 12 plus 2 into 16. So how much? 12 plus 32, 44. Generally you get the 44, it is 1 directly, you can take that 16 grams. But what they are asking, 22 grams only, they are not asking the 44 grams, they are asking 22 grams. Then you can easily answer this one. 44 grams by 22, how much you will get? Sorry, 22 by 44. So how much you will get? 0.5 moles. That means half mole. Okay, if 1 mole is 44, half mole is equal to 22 grams. So if 1 mole is equal to 16 grams of methane, but half mole is equal to 8 grams. You can directly answer that. But I will explain in this method. That means if you take these 16 grams, you will form the 44. But your forming is only 22 grams. So you can half that one. So 16 by 2. You can guess this is 8 grams. How much time it will take? Only 10 seconds. Okay? Yes. So you can write here. So first of all you can find out the traditional way moles of carbon dioxide. So you find out the 0.5 moles. So required mole to CH4 is called 0.5. So total mass is called 0.5 to 60. That is called 8 grams. Okay? This is the answer you will get. So first of all you can understand the what is combustion reaction. Okay? What is combustion reaction? Okay? Somebody is asking questions, okay? For JEE you will get this type of questions, okay? Yes. Second one you go for this. Number of moles of methane. Number of moles of methane. See this? Number of moles of methane required to produce 22 grams of CO2 after combustion of this moles and x into 10 to the power minus 2 moles. Before that they asked the mass. Right now they are asking the moles. Same, the combustion reaction. Most of the time they will ask the combustion reaction. So you can write this. CH4 plus 2O2 gives CO2 plus 2H2. Okay, this is 2 moles, this is 1 mole and this is the 2 moles. So find out the moles. Okay, so find out the moles. 22 by 44. How much? 0.5 moles. That equal to, see here, 0.5 moles, that is equal to, you can write as 50 into 10 to the power minus 2 moles. So 0.5 moles. So x is equal to 50. Okay. Okay. 10 to the power minus 2 now. You can calculate it, this one. You will get that answer. Yes. Then after, so go for third question. Lead chloride, okay. Plumber also it is called, but lead chloride react with ammonium phosphate. You will get this reaction. They are giving this reaction and asking 72 millimoles of PbCl2 mixed with 50 millimoles of ammonium phosphate. They are taking that. This is 72 millimoles. Okay. So the amount of Pb3PO4, that means they are asking this one to form dash mmol mole. So nearest integer, they are asking the nearest integer. So here limiting reagent is the concept. Okay, limiting reagent is the PbCl2. This is the limiting reagent. So how much you have moles of reactants are in the both two, అంటే ఈ రెండిట్లలో ఎన్ని మోల్స్ ఉన్నా కూడా ఒకటి ఆ రియాక్షన్ ని లిమిట్ చేస్తుంది అన్నమాట. అంటే నువ్వు ఎన్ని మోల్స్ ఉన్నా కూడా ఇది ఎంత ఉందో అంతే మాత్రమే రియాక్ట్ అవుతుంది. So depending upon the reaction of limiting reagent, so you will get that millimoles of PbCl2 reacted by 3 moles. So how much millimoles are there? 72 millimoles. So you can write that 72 by 3. This is the concept oriented. You will get the 24 millimoles. So this is the answer really. Okay, you will get this one. There, here limiting reagent you will say find out. Okay. Either we have more concentration here, but it is not depending. It's depending upon the lead chloride. This is the limiting reagent. That means you take the two reactants. One is dominant, or one is stop the productivity of the product. Okay, na ee productivity ni decide chesedi edaithe untundo dani limiting reagent. Ante deeku enni unna kuda ikkada enni unnayo avi maatrame decide avutayi. Okay na? Yes. Next. So 10 ml of gas hydrocarbon on combustion gives 40 ml of CO2 and 50 ml of water vapor. Okay. The total number of carbon and hydrogen atoms in the hydrocarbon, they are asking. 10 ml of gaseous hydrocarbon on the combustion gives 40 ml of CO2. Okay, they are taking the 10 ml. They don't know what is the hydrocarbon. They are asking how many carbon and hydrogen atoms. That means you can count the carbon atoms and hydrogen atoms also. So they give the gaseous hydrocarbon 10 ml and 40 ml they are giving here, and 50 ml for water vapor. Okay, so you take one is X and another one is Y, CXHY. So you write that reaction with O2, they will form the carbon dioxide and water. So you write this is the 10 ml. Okay, so you write CX plus HY, X plus Y by 4. Okay, X plus Y by 4 you can write here. See here, how much here is X is called 10 ml, this is 40 ml, that's why you can 40 by 10 means 10. Okay, so X CO2 plus Y by 2 H2. So that will form. Okay, so here observe this 10x. 10x is equal to 40. So you can find out the X is equal to 4. Then after 5 is equal to 5 y is equal to what is the ml? 50. They are giving the carbon dioxide for 10x 40. So ఇక్కడ 40 ఎలా వచ్చిందని చూడండి, 10x అనేది తీసుకున్నాం ఎందుకంటే 10 ml కాబట్టి. So 40 by using this one you can find out the x value. Thereafter you can find out 5y is equal to 50 na. So y is equal to 10. So x is equal to 4, y is equal to 10. You can write that CH, that is equal to 4 and 10. Okay, this is the total hydrocarbon. You already know that. What is the name of this one? C4H10 butane. Okay, yes. So you can ask any questions here. Okay. Yes. Next one. Some amount of dichloromethane. You already know about the formula of dichloromethane. So this one is added to 671.141 ml of chloroform. Okay. It is added to this 671 of chloroform prepared to prepare 2.6 of 10 to the power minus 3 m solution of CH2Cl2. That is the dichloromethane. The concentration of DCM is equal to దాని యొక్క కాన్సంట్రేషన్ అనేది మాస్ పరంగా చెప్పండి అంటున్నాడు. సో అటామిక్ మాస్ ఆల్రెడీ తెలుసు, కార్బన్ తెలుసు, హైడ్రోజన్, chlorine. So this is the density of the CH2. They are giving the density of this one. Okay, they are giving the density. By using this one, you can answer this. So molarity is equal to mole by value. Okay. So molarity, how much they are giving? 2.6 into 10 to the power minus 3. You can do by step, or you can use the direct formula which is given for molarity, mole and value. You can use in this one. See this. How you write this? So 2.6 into 10 to the power minus 3, that is called x by 85. Okay. So then after you can find out the x is equal to 0.148. Okay. So this is the, generally we take the mole as x by 85 and you have to, value is there here. They are giving the value for this one. Okay. So where is this 85? ఈ 85 ఎక్కడ నుంచి వచ్చింది చూడండి, ఇక్కడ కన్సిడర్ చేయండి. 71, 73, this is 71, 2 molecules, this is 2, this is 2. So how much? 85 is there. So if it is mole is called x by 85, so you can find out the weight. This is the weight and this is the molecular weight and this is the value. Okay, weight by molecular weight, that is weight by molecular weight is equal to n. So n by v is equal to, you already know that, d. Okay, so you already know that. By using this one you will get this answer. Okay, yes. Then after another question, go for this one. On complete combustion of 0.42 grams of organic compound gives the 0.792 gram carbon dioxide. The percentage of a carbon in organic compound is, okay. So this is the question, you have to do that. Okay. So weight of carbon in 0.792 of carbon they are giving. So first of all you can find out 12 by 44, what is the 12? This is the carbon percentage. So into 0.792, they give the total carbon dioxide. You will get 0.216. Then after percentage of carbon in carbon compound. So 0.216, they will get this one by 0.492 of organic compound. Okay, na? This is weight and total weight. You are getting that. Into 100, you will get 43.90, nearly 44 answer. Okay. Okay. Yes. Then go for this. That is the first chapter questions. That is the so many questions. Okay, you can prepare like that. Then after second chapter you will get this one. So these are the, every question is related to the previous year question, how they are asked in examination, how to solve these questions. Okay. Yes. So which of the following electron configuration would be associated with the highest magnetic moment? They are asking the highest magnetic moment. If you know the highest magnetic moment, you know that highest unpaired electrons. Highest unpaired electrons, you will know that. What is the formula for that one? You already know that. Okay, what is that? Magnetic momentum formula, everybody knows that. Okay, so first of all you can find out the how many unpaired electrons in this one. Argon 3d7, argon is, you can common for this one. 3d7 you can write the orbitals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is a neutral atom, they are not asking any positive or negative. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 3 unpaired electrons. Okay. So the magnetic momentum you already know that N into N plus 2 under root of N. You can calculate by this formula under root of N into N plus 2. You will get the value. Okay. For example, this one 3D8. Okay, 3D8. I will write. So you can write this one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. By filling the electron, first of all you can fill the all the electrons. Don't write double like this. Okay, 6, 7, 8. So here is the only 2 electrons. Yes or no? Then after 3D3. 3D3 already know that every 3 electrons 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is the 3 electrons. You know that. Then after 3D6 they are asking 3D6 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just I am writing the configuration. So everybody should learn the 1 to 30 elements of electron configuration of these elements. Maximum they will ask before that 1, 6. Okay, so here is the 4 unpaired electrons. So this is the formula. By using this formula you can substitute this one. You will get for 3 electrons under root of 15. For this one under root of 8. For this one under root of 15. Because 3 is the same, you will get under root of, and this is the 24. So if the answer is in this one, you can answer. But they are asking highest magnetic moment. So D is the correct answer. Okay, D is the correct answer. Yes. Then go for the electron configuration of neodymium. They are asking neodymium. Okay. So neodymium, the atomic number of neodymium, they are telling that this is 60. Okay. This is a black element. Okay. A black element. Yes. Then go for this one. Write the electron configuration. Which one is right? Okay. Xenon how much? 54 or 52, 56, and this is the 4F4. Okay. So you can write this answer according to the electron configuration. The answer should be A. Okay. So here is 2 and 4. Okay. Now this is 4F, not related to the 5F. So you can remember this one. And then after go for the 4F6. It is 2 plus 8, 8. 2 plus 6, 8. So 54 plus 8, 62. It will come 62. It is wrong. So here is 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4, 54. 58 you are getting. Here in the, you will get 2 plus 4, 6. But 60, but it is not 5F. It is related to the 4F. That is the answer. Even though you are getting 60 and 60, but it is not related to the 5F. It is lanthanides which will be 4F. So this is the 60. Even though this is 60 and 60, but this is the wrong answer. It will go into the first 4F atom. Okay? Yes. Then go for the number of electrons present in all completely filled subshells. Okay? They are asking. They are asking completely filled subshells having N is equal to 4, S is equal to plus half. They are asking how many complete filled subshells. So N is equal to principal quantum, S is equal to spin quantum number. So the answer should be 16. So how it is come? You can understand this. 4s orbital. Okay. There is 2 electrons. Number of electrons is plus half. It is spin quantum number. One is clockwise and another one is anti-clockwise. You can calculate only one. Okay. So out of these all, so 4p how many? 6. So you can, this is 1 and this is the 4d. There is 10 orbitals but only 5 orbitals are plus half. So 4f you will get 7. Okay, out of 14 you will. So 1 plus 3 plus 4, 9 plus 7, 16. So this is the answer. They are asking the completely filled subshells. They are completely filled. And plus half is only plus half they are asking. They are not. If they are asking total, you will get the 32 answer. But they are asking only plus half. That means spin quantum number which will shows the anti-clockwise and clockwise. One is plus half and another one is minus half. So you know that this one. Okay. You can write like this n square also. So 4 into 4. For your convenience, not sure, but you can understand. Okay, 4 square it is 60. So it is different from question to question. Just you can remember like this. They are asking the half of the. That's why I am writing here. Okay, if it is full, you can write the 2m square. So 2 into 4 square, that is equal to 2 into 60, 32. So they are asking half. That's why I divided with 2. That's why make that formula n square. Okay. So this is one. You don't follow that formula. If it is possible, you can follow. But you can understand how the electron should be arranged in the every atom. Okay. Yes. Next they are asking. See this one. So number of spectral line obtained in helium plus spectra. Helium plus nothing but hydrogen. Okay. Yes. Helium means 2 electrons. It is -1, that is called 1 electron. Okay. When it comes to spectral lines, it is related to the Bohr's atomic structure. So single electrons it will be followed. Okay. So when an electron makes transition from 5th excited state, they are asking 5th excited state to 1st excited state. They are asking 1st excited state. So when 5th excited state, so what is this one? N1 is equal to 6. So first excited state N2 is equal to, you can write that series as, you will know that. So it is 5th, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So N1 is equal to, you know that, N2 is equal to, you know that. So N2 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5th stage now. So you can write the 6. So this is the first stage now, you can write 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the first stage. This is the second stage. Okay. Yes. So difference between second and first, you will get that one 4. By using this, maximum number of spectral lines will be, you can use this formula delta n into delta n plus 1. So what is the formula here? 4 plus 1 by 2. You will get 4 into 5, 20 by 2, that is equal to 10. 10 spectral lines should be the maximum you will get in this transition. So first of all, you understand which state. If it is asked the 4th state, you can write the 5. If it is asked the 3rd state, you can write the 4. It is 2nd state, you can write the 3 number. Okay. So this is the one you can understand. They will ask different types of. They will ask in 2024. Very simple. Okay. Then after, go for another one. The number of radial nodes for 3p orbitals. They are asking the number of radial nodes. Okay, there is one formula is there. You have to calculate the number of radial nodes. They will ask in 2024 shift 2. So simple question. See how much easy it is looking like. But somebody is not answering till they don't know the concept. Concept తెలియనప్పుడు ఇంత చిన్న క్వశ్చన్ అయినా చేయలేము మనం. చూడు వాళ్ళంతా డైరెక్ట్ ఆఫ్ ది క్వశ్చన్ ఒకటే లైన్ ఉంది. ఆన్సర్ కూడా చూడండి ఎంత సింపుల్ 1, 2, 3 or 4 అంటున్నాను. సో ఫస్ట్ యూ నో దట్ ఫర్ 3p ఆర్బిటల్ ప్రిన్సిపల్ క్వాంటం నెంబర్ ఏంటి అని తెలవాలి. 3 అని తెలుసుకున్నాం. సో p ఆర్బిటల్ L is equal to 1 అని తెలుసు. S is equal to 0. L is equal to 1. Okay, you know that this one. For p orbital, s orbital 0, for p orbital 1, d orbital 2, and f orbital 3. You already know this basic. Okay, basic. So here what is they are asking? Pre. So n is equal to 3, p is equal to 1. So number of radial nodes you have to find the formula principal quantum number minus azimuthal quantum number minus 1. You can write this one. So 3 is this one. L is equal to 1, and you can write this one. 3 minus 2, that is equal to 1. 1 is the answer. You will get, this is the one answer A. Okay, what is 1? Number of radial nodes for 3p. If they change that 3s, the s should be 0. Okay, s should be 0. If they are given the 3d, they have to take that 2. Okay, if 4f, then you will take that 3. So like that you can answer any question. So you can note down this was radial node. So many times they ask it. Okay. Then after this one. So go for the 3rd chapter, which is classification of elements and the periodic properties, which will be. So in one day we don't have to discuss all questions. So step by step I will give some questions about the JEE important question according to the chapter wise. It will be help to you while solving the problem. అంటే మీకు ఒకే రోజు మొత్తం క్వశ్చన్ చెప్పాను అనుకోండి, ఒక రోజులో లర్న్ చేసుకోవడం అంటే కొంచెం ఇబ్బంది ఉంటుంది. సో నేను ఏం చెప్తాను, ఫస్ట్ 3 chapters చెప్తాను. నెక్స్ట్ డిపెండింగ్ అపాన్ ద time schedule I will give the more and more questions. Okay, yes. Inert gases have positive electron gain enthalpy. ఒకసారి చూడండి, ఈ క్వశ్చన్ చాలా చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. 2023 లో అడిగారు. అన్ని ఎలిమెంట్స్ కు, the remaining elements in all periodic table you will get only negative values, but only this group inert gases are 18th groups are noble gases have only positive gain enthalpy. You can check this, all are positive. You can check any other group that will be shows the negative values, at least one element, but in this all are positive. This is the very very important, positive gain enthalpy. Okay, so it's correct order they are asking. Okay, they are asking correct order. So you can write that the electron gain enthalpy nothing but if we add one electron to the outer orbitals electron, the amount of energy will be released. Okay, so the amount of energy required to remove the outer orbital electron, it is called annihilation energy, but the amount of energy released in while adding one electron, that is called electron gain enthalpy. That means you can add this electron to the outer orbital. Yes or no? So you can, these are the values of this one. So answer should be this one, helium, xenon, krypton and neon. See this, the values should be, helium has 48. Okay, this clear. Then after go for the direct xenon 77. Then after krypton, then after neon has highest electron gain enthalpy, and this one helium has lowest electron enthalpy. So the order should be helium less than, xenon less than, krypton less than neon. Okay, right. Then another question, go for this question. So the bond dissociation energy highest for, they are asking the bond dissociation energy, Cl Cl, I I, Br Br and EF EF. So this is related to the energy. Dissociation means you can break this one, association we can add, you can break this one. Okay, so according to the concept you know that. So which will be answer? Chlorine is the first one, highest dissociation. See how ఇదే ఆన్సర్ ఎందుకు వస్తుందని చూడండి. బాండ్ ఎనర్జీ ఆఫ్ F2 ఈజ్ లెస్ దాన్ Cl2. జనరల్ గా మనకి ఏం కావాలి, F2 అనేది ఉండాలి హైయెస్ట్ జనరల్ గా, బట్ ఇక్కడ Cl2 ఉంది. ఎందుకు? ద రిమైనింగ్ అంటే మీకు ఆల్రెడీ తెలుసు, ఫ్రమ్ టాప్ టు బాటమ్ గ్రూప్ లో వెళ్ళినప్పుడు ఏం జరుగుతుంది. ఓకేనా, సో బాండ్ డిసోసియేషన్ ఎనర్జీస్ లెస్. ఓకేనా, తగ్గిపోతుంది. చూడండి, FF Cl Cl and Br Br and I. So bond dissociation energy is less, so you can write that I2 less than F2 less than Br2 less than Cl2 they are giving. So you don't have any doubt on this one, but you have doubt on fluorine and chlorine. Okay, see this, actually it will be happen, but when it comes to fluorine, lone pair electron repulsions also there. Okay, yes also, yes or no? Yes, lone pair repulsions also there. Here bond energy order you can write this. This is the highest one, chlorine, then after bromine, then after fluorine, then after iodine. Iodine has lowest one. Okay, so here F2 F3 has, generally it will be in starting, but it has lone pair electron repulsions also there. It is the due to small ion, the repulsion should be very high. Okay, the repulsion should be very high, so it will be not stable. So the bond dissociation energy is very less than chlorine. Okay, this is the answer you will get. So then after neodymium, these neodymium questions are asking more. Okay, so focus on this one, F orbital. You can remember the F orbital, 4f and 5 orbitals. Okay, so even though it is D and F black element, but it will be under the question of the classification of elements. Okay, so they will ask the different type of question in the D and F black elements. Okay, yes. So neodymium plus 2, generally you know that the formula of neodymium 60 Everybody should know that important elements you should remember. You can understand by observing the periodic table regularly, you will get that answer. Okay. So they are giving the option 4F2, 6S2, 4F4 and 4F3, 4F4, 6S2. Okay, they are asking like this one. For example, they are giving the xenon, this is 54 and they are giving this 41, 58 and this is the 2. There is no diameter here, so total 60. But they are giving that 2 plus, that means you can minus 2 this one, 58, that should be 58. But that electrons of 2 where it will be removed. Okay, na ekkada nunchi 2 electrons remove అవుతాయి. ఇక్కడ చూడండి ఓకేనా, ఓకేనా 6s ఓకేనా. సో ఈ 2 ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ అనేవి రిమూవ్ అవుతాయి, మిగతా ఎలక్ట్రాన్ కాన్ఫిగరేషన్ అలానే ఉంటుంది. 5d లో 0 ఉంది కాబట్టి నో నీడ్ టు రైట్, ఇది 0 ఉంది కాబట్టి నో నీడ్ టు రైట్. సో యూ కెన్ రైట్ xenon 4f4. సో ఆన్సర్ షుడ్ బి ద B. Already everybody knows about the inorganic gases. Everybody knows this: helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon. You should remember these atomic numbers. It will be useful while answering. For example, చూడండి ఇది 60 అనేది మీకు తెలుసు, బట్ ఇక్కడ 54 అనేది ఆల్రెడీ ఐడియా ఉంది. xenon కి 54 వస్తుందని తెలుసు. సో 60 అంతా 6 ఏ ఉన్నాయి. ఓ 6 అనేది ఎలా డివైడ్ అయ్యాయో మీరు అర్థం చేసుకుంటే అయిపోతుంది. డైరెక్ట్ 1:2, 2:2 you can write this. It will be hard to you while answering. Okay na? So this is the one. Everybody should this one 2, 10 and this is the 18, this is the 36, 54 and 86. This everybody should remember this one. It will be helpful not only in this question, every periodic table question it is helpful by using this inert gas electron configuration. These are more gain electron gain enthalpy atoms. Okay, yes. So then after one second, you can check this one. Okay, they are asking this one, group 13 elements. Group 13 elements react with O2 amorphous form to oxides of M2O3. Okay, it is the group 13 elements but related to the classification of elements. That's why they are asking this question. Which among is the most basic oxide? They are asking the oxides. Every time they are asking one question on oxides nature. Either it is acid or it is base or it is neutral or whatever it may be. Either it have to amphoteric nature. Okay, amphoteric means acid and base. Okay, so you can prepare on this concept either acid, basic, and how to you calculate this one either acid or base. So you already know this one. Al2O3 is amphoteric. You know that Ga2O3 is also amphoteric. They are asking only basic. So Tl2O3 you don't know but you have to stay here. B2O3 you know that this is acidic. Okay, so the answer should be C. Directly you can that answer that one. Because gallium, aluminum gallium is the amphoteric nature, you already know. But see this, how it is happening. As electropositive character increases, that means electropositive character increases, basic character of oxide increases. Here you can observe that boron, aluminum, gallium and thallium and indium also. Here indium is no, that's why indium. So what will happen? Here you can observe electropositive character increase or not? Yes, electropositive character are increasing. That's why basic character also increasing. That's why Tl2O3 is the basic. You can answer like this or you can remove that. Wrong answer. Al2O3 is amphoteric. You can leave that. G also amphoteric. B2O3 already acidic. The remaining you can remove. What is the answer? This is the one. Yes. Either you have to write that directly answer or you can remove. If you don't know the answer, you can remove by knowing your knowledge. Ante meeku telసిన knowledge tho remove cheyali. Okay? Yes. This one. For elements boron, carbon, nitrogen, lithium, beryllium, oxygen and F, the correct order of this one in EAPCET. Okay? So this will I will give in one question. So I will give for you that homework, but right now you can see this question. Okay. See this one. The correct order of increasing ionic radii. Ionic radii యొక్క సిచ్యువేషన్ అనేది ఎలా ఉంది ఇక్కడ అంటే అయానిక్ రేడియస్ ఇంక్రీజింగ్ మెథడ్ రాయమన్నారు. ఇక్కడ మనకు చూడండి క్యాటయాన్స్ ఉన్నాయి, anions ఉన్నాయి. సో when cations are happen, the atomic size will be decreases. When anions are happen, atomic size is or ionic size is increases. You know that the general concept. If cation forms, ionic radius is less, anion forms. For this one, which one? Isoelectron species. These all are isoelectron species. You can check this one. Mg plus 2, 12 minus 2, you will get 10. So sodium plus 11 minus 1, you will get 10. So number of electrons in this all, you can observe this one. When it comes to isoelectron species, you can observe this one. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. O2 minus, you can write down 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. Clear? So N3 minus 7 plus 3. Very little bit question, but they will ask in examination also. Okay. This is 2022 they are asking. See this. So all are 10 electrons. It is called isoelectronic species. Okay. So you have to calculate this one, ionic radii. So negative charge by positive charge. You can write that negative charge by positive charge. So which one is negative? You can put it in a last one. So it is positive, it is negative. So even though it has same number of electrons, but the see this protons are different. Protons are different. So that their shrinkage will be different. Yes. So here you can observe this order Mg plus 2. First of all, cation is 2 cations plus 1 plus 2. You can write the first one plus 2. So anions, how many? 3 anions are there. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now 3 anions, you can order this one. F minus O2 minus N3. Because anions are increasing the anions, the size will be increases. So cation, the size of the number of cation number is increasing, the size will be decreasing. That's why you can write 2, 1, 1, 2, 3 like this. Okay. So this is the concept, basic concept in the periodic table. You already know when you lost the electrons, what will happen? When you gain the electron, what will happen? You know that very well. Okay. So these are the questions we already prepared in that. So I will give you some information about this one. Okay. So focus on this one. Okay. So once again I am remembering this one. Most of the students are taking this course and getting useful knowledge. For this, see, you can observe 4,999 is a very low price. You go for any movie or whatever, you go for any trip. I am not asking about this. మీరు ఎందుకు అవి అడుగుతారని మీకు ఎలా ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తారో దీనికి ఒకసారి ట్రై చేసి చూడండి. దీనివల్ల మీకు కొంచెం నష్టం ఏమీ లేదు. యు ఆర్ గెట్టింగ్ సమ్ నాలెడ్జ్. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? ఇఫ్ యూ క్లిక్ ఫర్ దిస్ వన్ అంటే వల్ల మీకు క్లిక్ అయింది అనుకోండి, ఒకసారి సెట్ అయిపోయింది అనుకోండి, యూ విల్ గెట్ ఏ బెస్ట్ రిజల్ట్స్. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? తెలియదు అసలు సార్ మాకు ఈ కోర్స్ గురించి తెలియదు, మీరు ఏమి ఇచ్చారో మాకు తెలియదు అని చెప్పేసి మీరు అంటున్నారు కదా. ట్రై టు మేక్ ఇట్. ఎన్నో విషయాలలో మనం చేస్తూ ఉంటాం. సో దిస్ యుద్ధం ఫర్ ఎంపీసీ స్టూడెంట్స్ ఐ ఆల్రెడీ నో దిస్. పాకెట్ ఫ్రెండ్లీ. చూడండి, ఒక 5 సినిమాకి వస్తే ఏమైంది, మన పుష్ప సినిమా కానీ ఏదో సినిమాకి వెళ్తుంది 1000 రూపీస్ అంట టికెట్. సో 5000 అనేది ఈజీగా అయిపోతుంది. ఎస్ ఆర్ 2 hours 2.5 hours లో 5000 ఖర్చు చేసినాం. బట్ దిస్ వన్ యూ విల్ మేక్ సో మచ్ ఆఫ్ నాలెడ్జ్ అండ్ యూ విల్ గెట్ సమ్ ఆఫ్ ద రిలేటెడ్ టు ది ఎగ్జామినేషన్. చూడండి, అది 2 గంటలు చూసారు, 2 గంటల్లో అయిపోయింది. యూ విల్ నాట్ గెట్ ఎనీథింగ్ ఫ్రమ్. ఓకే, హ్యాపీనెస్ కొంచెం 2 గంటలు ఉంటుంది. చూడండి, ఓకేనా? ఎస్. దెన్ గో ఫర్ పోరాటం. పోరాటం చూడండి, ఫర్ బైపీసీ స్టూడెంట్స్. Okay, bypass students, this Poratam 1.0. So this is the 4,999. You will get this for this one. So bypass plus NEET or EAMCET for JEE for the MPC students. Okay. So I will give you some questions about this one. Key features I already discussed about this one. Very important is post exam counseling is very good here. Okay na? If you coming to the academy and you learn something, you will get some ranking. After that, what will you don't know. Some of the students. Okay. At that time, you will ask our directors our team, they will guide you post exam counseling also without taking any money. Okay, yes. So this is the very important, and these exams are the very important. So comes to the results, you will get that results. Okay. మరి ఏం చేసిన రిజల్ట్స్ గురించి అడుగుతారు. నువ్వు ఎన్ని మార్కులు అయినా ఏం చేసినా రిజల్ట్స్ గురించి అడుగుతారు. మీ రిజల్ట్స్ ఎలా ఉన్నాయి ఏంటి అని చెప్పేసి. ఐదర్ సమ్ టైమ్స్ ఇట్ విల్ బి లో ఆర్ బిగ్, దట్స్ నాట్ ఎ మ్యాటర్, బట్ కన్సిస్టెన్సీ ఇస్ మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. వీఆర్ మెయింటైనింగ్ ద కన్సిస్టెన్సీ. ఓకే, కాన్స్టెంట్గా ఒక మెయింటైన్ చేస్తున్నాం. యూఆర్ గెటింగ్ దట్ రిజల్ట్స్. సో టీఎస్ ఎంసెట్ రిజల్ట్స్ దీస్ ఆర్ చూడండి 2021 నుంచి 24 దాకా యూఆర్ గెటింగ్ దట్. JEE మెయిన్స్ రిజల్ట్స్ యూ విల్ గెట్ దిస్ వన్. So NEET students, how much they are asking percentage of this one? It is very difficult, but they are cracking. Okay, so much of this. Highest score 630, 98% of qualified students for this one. Number of 32 medical sheets. Okay, so highest ranking in engineering you are getting 758 this year. Okay, 758 is our right now ranking. So we are trying to make it as 2 digit. Okay. So we are going for the best of 2 digit. So number 1 single digit is a happen, but sometimes the students capacity also very important. That's why we are expecting that we will go for the 2 digits number. Okay, that means 11 to 99. We are expecting this time. So focus on the exams are very less. Okay, na exam అనేది మీకు కొన్ని రోజులే ఉంది, టైం అనేది చాలా లెస్ ఉందమ్మా. మీకు ఏది పోయినా వస్తుంది, టైం పోతే రావాలని గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. మనీ పోయాయి ఒక 100 రూపీస్, యూ విల్ గెట్ ఎర్న్. లేదు ఏదైనా వస్తువు మీద పోయింది, యూ విల్ గెట్ పాయింట్ బై. బట్ ద టైం వన్స్ యూ కంప్లీటెడ్ దిస్ టైం, అంటే ఒక టైం పోయింది అనుకోండి. నువ్వు చూడండి, చిన్నప్పుడు నువ్వు చాలా ముద్దుగా ఉంటావు చాలా మంది, మళ్ళీ పెరిగిన తర్వాత అంత ముద్దుగా రావాలంటే కష్టం. ఓకేనా, దట్ మీన్స్ టైం హ్యాస్ కంప్లీటెడ్. సో ఇన్ టైం. ఓకేనా. So before expire you can inspire. Okay na, before expire the time you can inspire. అంటే మన టైం అయిపోయిన తర్వాత ఆలోచించే బదులు టైం ఉన్నప్పుడే ఇన్స్పైర్ అయింది అనుకోండి, you will get a good results here. Okay, so then I will give you some homework for this one. So please complete these questions and post in our YouTube Academy app. Okay, so this one, on complete combustion 0.492 grams of organic compound gave 0.792 gram of CO2. So the percentage of carbon in organic compound is, I will write the answers options. A 11, B 22, C 33. Okay, if you directly answer that one, but I will give some hint for this one, 44. Okay, the option should be 11, 22, 33 and 44. Okay, directly you can answer, then after choose for the option. Okay, yes. Then after this one, second question, you can note down this one. The number of s electron present in the ion with 55 protons in its unipositive. Okay, they are asking unipositive, that means single, and the proton should be 55. So if protons are 55, which element it is related to? So you first find out the element and you write the how many s electrons, only s electrons. There are 8, 9, 12 or 10. Okay, yes. Okay Amma, okay. So you can observe that screen also. Okay, sometimes that will be disturbing twice. Okay, then after go for another one. See this, answer the third one. We are looking, this is a simple question, but when you answer it, so many students are confused that how it is come. Generally they write boron, carbon, nitrogen, lithium, boron like this one. So they give the order and you write that. That is the wrong answer. So you can correct the first ionization enthalpy. First you know the what is the first ionization enthalpy. What happened? This is in period now. So in period what will happen? You can answer this one. Okay. Hi. Everybody, hi. Yes. You know this. You can contact us Spark Academy by using this number 8977525461, or you can scan this one. You will get this. if you want a free material, so go for this URL type URL tinyurl.com/spark study free. You can write this one. You will get this very clearly. So you get the free source of sheet and playlist of YouTube and chapter wise weightages are there, handwritten notes are the important updates. They will give in this link. So if anybody interested to join, you can contact Spark Academy, and those who are interested to learn and watch in YouTube, please subscribe and click the bell icon. If you are like, you can click the bell icon. Otherwise I don't want to ask this one. So okay, if you like this concept, you will automatically like this bell icon. Okay, so you will get this one. So thanks for everyone. This is the academy. So you will go for the Spark Academy. You can contact these numbers also. So you can contact these numbers 9122308172 and 8977252546. These are the numbers you will contact. Thank you for session. So next week we will take some questions of other chapters which is related to the JEE and also IPE. Okay, thank you very much. This is Chandrashekhar from Spark Academy.